do you handle pressure during this competition? Na-feel mo ba yung pressure, Chelsea?
Itong nakakatuwa talaga, no? Yung, syempre, may nakasali din mga Pinay, half Pinay dito sa pageant ng Miss Universe, ay, maganda pa rin yung ano nila. Parang hindi nila iniisip yung na magkalaban talaga sila. At least, andun pa rin yung comfort nila sa bawat isa. So, panoorin natin, guys, no? Ang tanong niya kay Chelsea Manalo.
How do you handle pressure during this competition? Na-feel mo ba yung pressure, Chelsea?
Honestly, no. I didn't. I keep telling everyone, nung nasa Philippines ako, I was so excited to go to Mexico. The moment I arrived here, happy, pero there are like sometimes days or like moments lang na parang you feel or you question yourself, diba? Na parang, oh my God, this is a whole different kind of pageant or competition. Now you try to like, feel na, or you're kind of feeling na parang you're back to zero. Alam mo yun? So, there are just moments like that. Pero hindi entire. Kasi, ma-overwhelm ka eh. And you'll really feel it. And it's okay to...
At least, yun ang maganda. Kasi hindi niya talaga naramdaman yung pressure. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, hindi niya iniisip o so iniintindi mga sinasabi ng kapwa natin Pinoy na against sa kanya. So, yun ang the best. Kaya nakafocus na sa goal niya ngayon. Yun ang maganda. Yun ang queen. Dapat nakafocus lang talaga. Don't mind ano sasabihin ng ibang tao, di ba?
And it's okay to accept that feeling. But other than that, mas nangingibaba yung excitement. Kasi hindi ka hindi ka mag-isa. Like, I have you. At you have the other girls, they're so supportive. Tapos yung mga fans pa na Filipino na very malakas yung support.
Yeah. And you know, I was surprised after speaking with some of the girls. Parang pareho naman yung feelings natin eh. And
Totoo naman talaga yun eh. Kasi, at saka lalo na ilan silang Filipino, half Filipino na nakasali dito sa Miss Universe. Diba? At least talagang nangingibabaw pa rin talaga yung dugong Pilipino. No? Sana ganun yung iba, no? Pero syempre, hindi naman talaga natin ma-please lahat. Bawat isa ay may kanya-kanya, sabi ko, opinion, may kanya-kanyang gusto. Pero sana at this moment, no, gawin natin para sa ating bansa. Continue natin, sinabi ng kapwa niyang half Pinay.
Even if, you know, we might feel intimidated by people at some point, they're also feeling that way also. So, everyone's just in the same boat, especially because we're all here alone. At least we have each other, so...
Nasabi na, same naman talaga sila almost ng feelings kasi, di ba, mag-isa lang sila dun eh. Halos lahat sila eh. I mean, lahat sila mag-isa lang sila, kanya-kanya silang paano nila tulungan yung sarili nila is part of talaga pageant ka, di ba? Part ng training mo yun ba, paano ka maging Miss Universe. Ganun lang naman talaga. Pero at least, itong nakakatuwa ay, yun nga, parang hindi nila iniisip na magkalaban sila. Neutral ang kanilang pag-uusapan. So, yun, habang kumakain si Chelsea Manalo. So, yung ganda ng usapan nila. Yun, no, maganda talaga ang nagsusuportahan lang talaga. Walang inggitan. Pero hindi naman talaga natin maiwasan ng inggit. Yan, andyan talaga yan. Bye!